Vishveshwarya Groups of Institutions is happy to announce that we have successfully placed the majority of our students. VGI offers 100% guaranteed placement assistance. Now let's talk to students about their experience.
I am Vijay. I am from Polytechnic, NCS. I belong to village Cheeti, Sikandrabad, Gautam Budh Nagar. I got placed in Toppers Technology Private Limited.
My name is Jalaj. I am a student of Polytechnic CSE branch. I belong to Bulandshahr and I have done internship in Universal Adventures as a web developer, and now I am working as a full stack developer in Paytm.
My name is Harshit Kumar. I am from Biznor. Here I am pursuing Polytechnic Computer Science from Vishveshwarya Group of Institution. I got placed in Wipro.
Campus life of the VGI is so stunning. Students from different states come here. You can explore yourself. Apart from the study, the VGI conduct many more like Culture Fest and the Tech Fest, in which the student can enhance their skills or activities the student can refresh their minds.
VGI is a great place to do engineering. The thing I like the most about VGI is students from all across the nation came to study in VGI, and this gave me a lot of exposure to different kind of people to learn their cultures, and this helped me in my professional life as I have to deal with the various peoples that belong to various regions of the world.
Campus life is very amazing. On the daily basis and weekly basis, many fest, events and sport activities held, and we enjoy, and it helped to brush up our minds.
The faculties of the VGI are so supportive. They are available for the student each and every time. Every faculty have expertise in their own domain.
Faculties in VGI are quite supportive. They are always present anywhere whenever I stuck in my theoretical subjects or even in practical day-to-day life implementation of my CSE technologies.
Faculties is very good and supported and friendly in nature. They try to cover our all the queries and resolve, give us practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge, which help us to understand the topics.
Everybody knows that the artificial intelligence and machine learning fields is growing day by day. So I want to know that how the things are working, basically how the AI and machine learning working, and I want to know in the deep to get the particular domain.
From my early school days, I have excelled in computer science field, and I have a passion to become a cross-platform full-stack developer, and VGI became the medium to achieve that passion.
I was very curious about the computer's world. I want to know about the computer language. That's why I choose the Polytechnic in Computer Science.
One of my relatives was there in VGI and he got placed in Accenture with a very decent package. I was also interested in CSE and he told me that VGI is very good and you can explore yourself and you can do a lot of things from here.
I came to know about VGI from one of my school teacher. He told me about the disciplined environment the VGI have and the good placement opportunities.
My brother suggested to me and I searched on the various social media platforms. After that, I found that it will be the better place to fulfill my dreams.
Future opportunities of the VGI are fantastic. VGI conduct placement regularly. Big companies like Accenture, Tech Mahindra and TCS visit our college and they provide a very good package on the basis of the skills of the student. If the student have a good skill set, can grab a good package. And recently I have heard about the MBA employability program by which a student can grab the 100% placement.
VGI oftenly invites companies for placement drive and campus pool drives. Big companies that oftenly came to VGI are Tech Mahindra, Paytm, Byju's, Chetu and many more. I have also heard about the MBA employability program that guarantees 100% placement to the students. So VGI is doing all its best for the future of students.
There are lots of placement opportunity in VGI. So many big companies like TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, etc. comes. Placement cells is going on in the VGI, which help us to groom the students to get placed in the higher job.
So if you have recently completed your 10th and looking for a job early to build a substantial experience and wants to become familiar with 3 latest industrial technologies, then Polytechnic is for you. Come, join us as the admissions are open now, as we offer a monthly fees option at 0% interest rate, financed by GreyQuest.